I know I always say this in all the videos, no talking back. This one, we will have to talk and discuss what is happening. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happiness-Majoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today's just the end of today's video. Guess what? Another random haul that I have from Temu, however you pronounce it, T-E-M-U. My package came in this bag. I opened it, but I haven't checked whatever is inside, so we are going to be finding out if what I ordered versus what I received is the same. Hopefully I get to put pictures on the screen somewhere here for you to see. And I need to get my scissors because, honey, my nails are not about to be messy. Okay, so without further ado, let us jump right into the video. So I opened it. As you can see, everything is still inside. In fact, I received this yesterday. So I'm gonna start with whatever comes or pops up at the top. So first of all, I got this. In case you're wondering what these are called rubber rings that go around the suitcase wheel so that it doesn't wear off. My suitcases are damn expensive and good quality, and I don't want them to wear off quickly because I love them so much, and they're in pink. So this is what I got. There are 8. Next, it is to do with traveling. I got these travel bottles. These are, I believe, 50 ml travel bottles. I realized that I travel a lot and I need to have bottles that I put things for 1 week or 2 weeks or days, and one that I can put in if I'm going for more than 2 weeks, because I'm tired of carrying big bottles that I end up not using everything and they just take up so much space. And I also got this in 100 ml. So here we go. This is what it looks like. I like this kind of bottles because you can stop them from this part and it's like a pump. I don't have to be messy or anything, so that's perfect. These are 5 bottles. Something else to do with traveling, guys. I got my passport cover and it's pink, y'all. Now this is what I'm talking about. Look at that inside. If I compare it to the other one that I got from the first video, you can be able to tell the difference. This is so good. I like the fact that it has this pocket for the passport, it has this where I can put some money, and it has here where I can put my credit and debit cards, yeah, and money. And oh yeah, it has another compartment. It's like a wallet part for cards and passport. This one I love. If you haven't watched the other video, go watch it and you'll understand why I like this one more. So yay, I finally got it in pink. Love it, love it, love it. Next we have this. I'm not sure what this is, but let's find out. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow. This is a sunglasses pocket pouch that you put your sunglasses and you get to tuck it in like this. For demonstration purposes, I'm gonna get my sunglasses. These are the nearest that I would find. So this. Now imagine how that would look in your bag. Very organized, very clear, because I'm tired of the big old cases that come with the glasses. This looks more cute and put together, and I love the material. Washable, you can easily wipe it off dust and all that. Like I said, I will be getting this back for my travel purposes again. These are sandals. This is story time while I am unboxing this. So I had sandals that I came with and I love them so much, and if you haven't seen my pictures, I'm sure you'll be able to tell. They are nude in color, whatever color you want to call it, beige, and I love them so much. And something happened that one of the pairs disappeared or got thrown, and I was so devastated. And yeah, guess what, I went to the internet trying to look for the same thing, and Temu happened to have that, and I thought, why not get it in at least black, because they didn't have the color that I had before, and I thought, okay, why not. Surprise, surprise. Here they are. And guess what? I am not pleased at all. First of all, they look so narrow. I don't know if you can tell. I have a pair of the other one. It's like a collector's item. Yeah. So until I find something like that, I'm not letting go of it. It's sticking with me. One thing I can tell for sure, this material is not the best compared to the one, and they're almost the same price if I convert it to Kenya shillings. Disappointment. It's almost the same, but it's not the same. I'd say the platform is the same, the thickness is the same, but when it comes to the strap and the wideness, it's not the same. And this is a size 43. I've never worn a size 43 in my life, but guess what? I really stick with Temu because I know they are always very weird with their sizes, so I took a 43. And guess what? If I compare this to mine, which is 41, it's the same. Yeah. Anyway, at least I have something to wear for autumn or the end of summer, something like that. More traveling bottles, but this one was more for my hair products. For example, oiling my hair. I think it's a big hole. It's a quite big hole, but you can work with this one. They are 5. We have something here. Okay, so we're about to get into the wig season, and I'm about to start laying my edges again with the wigs. One, black, shiny something. I'm not a fan of this, but the material doesn't feel like it drops off the glittery thing, so that's good. And then there's this one in animal print. I have 4 suitcases actually. So those big pink ones, and then there's these other ones which are not pink, it is black, and they are the type that are not, I cannot fix them around the leg from the outside part. This is the one that comes in the middle part inside, and for this one I will have to take this off and wrap it around the suitcase leg like this and cut off the excess material that's on there. Next we have this. I think this is a wallet. What the heck? What material is this? If somebody out there can tell me what material this is, tell me. What material do you call this? Because what in the earth? This does not look like the photo, I promise you. I'll put a picture. It doesn't look like the photo at all. It has a cute coin thing. I'm disappointed on that one. Oh my goodness, you guys. So I bought these pens. I have been looking for a pen to customize with my name. And this, I don't know if it's visible. It has been written happinessmajoni. And then there is this one with my surname and this one with my second name. Depending on how you know me, or depending on how you call my name, I put them all in the 3 pens. Say my name, say my name. Next, we have these thank you cards. They are 50 pieces. I haven't counted them, but I believe they are 50. Temu, I believe they are 50. So it reads, beyond grateful, thank you so much. I wanted to customize my own thank you cards because I'm tired of seeing the common ones. Yeah, thank you for supporting my small business. No, I wanted to customize my own cards and probably have my name on it, but they said it's not possible. So yeah, just maybe I should sign behind each and every one of them. Oh my goodness, what the heck. I wanted a very tiny watch, but guess what? This is what they sent. I don't even am a fan of big watches because I really have a small wrist, so I prefer something small, timeless, and classic. I don't know about this one, but at least it goes all the way to, like, it ties to the very end. We have another watch, like, I don't know what this is screaming, but it's very gold. It's even gold compared to my jewelry. This is not gold, this is yellow. I have compared it with my necklace, and this is definitely yellow. This is another, so it's also a pouch that's magnetic here. So you just do this and you put in your sunglasses and it closes by itself. I got a bag, a red bag. I don't have a red bag. From the look of things, Temu played me. Look at this picture, okay? Look at this picture right here. And then look what I got. Look on the packaging itself. See? What is this? Someone tell me. What is this? It's wide enough to put a tablet in it. It's wide enough to put your notebook, your pen, if you're going to a coffee shop to study or to do your work. Perfect size. But what material is this? Wait. Do you hear that? Vision is there, execution terrible. No material inside to protect anything whatsoever. I think this is good to stay in the boot of the car, so that when you're just having random things that you put, maybe shoes, or I don't know what random things you put in the boot of your car, but at least shoes. Do you guys know, if you are a tailor, there is this material that you usually put when you are ironing the collar of a suit for it not to break, or if you want to make the cloth have a specific shape and not lose it. That material, I don't know what it's called, but that's what they used to make this bag. Look at the stitching. You can literally see where the corners were cut. Everything. This was just punched in like any other way you would punch in a cloth. Hell, it looks like a carton box with handles. I guess that's probably it.